You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. They are the same word, if you wish. They are spelled exactly the same, but one is a noun, the other is a verb. Okay, so let's start with the top word. You have a record, okay, like a desk you play music with. Record, okay, that's how it is said. In British English, in American English, record, it's generally pronounced, okay? So record in British English, or record in American English, that's the noun. Now, as a verb, when you are recording something on your phone, for example, it's pronounced as record. So it's more of a E sound, a soft E sound at the beginning, rather than a schwa, record, with a stress on that second syllable. So let's recapitulate. The top word is record, a stress on the first syllable. The noun, as a verb, it's said as record, with a stress on the second syllable. Can you hear the difference? Record or record. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.